Hey guys, welcome back to my rubbish. Join us for a few day trip to take our Cane Corso puppy to the ocean to get him used to the waves and get him more comfortable swimming in stuffs. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the channel. Bye.
Baby, let me tell you what it feels like. Being independent, no trouble inside. It's like magic, living like a pop. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life. Let me tell you what it feels like. Being those mama, yeah, to yourself right. Boop.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Ooh.
Okay, come on. Let's try to figure this out. Now. Okay, so this is the top. Alright. I have to undo all these things, right?
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm trying to help you, Paps.
No.
I'm trying to help you.
Don't help me. Wait.
Leave it.
You want to go bye-bye?
Leave it.
You want to go bye-bye?
Okay, so,
The neck goes through there, right, babe?
yeah. Okay, wait.
Wait.
Give me your paw. This here. Give me your paw.
Wait. Deebo.
It's the hardest way.
Wait.
I just have to put the clothes around them.
Wait.
Do I go bye-bye? You have to buckle
You
it.
gotta go bye-bye. That's family way.
Wait, sit.
She says get lost and then pass the ocean to make sure you have to Okay? Don't be funny annoying, just shit.
Alright, you want to have yogurts and stuff before we go? Okay. Yeah.
Okay, we're having our breakfast, yogurt and fruit. Breakfast is champions. Smuggle. Are you excited to go to the beach? You know there's gonna be other dogs there, you better behave. I'm talking about no funny business. Okay? You've never seen the ocean. It's so big. That's so ginormous.
Alright, so now that you're laid down and comfy, it's time to go.
Okay, I think we got everything we need, right?
I'm sure we forgot something, but that's okay.
We got keys, so.
You got the key to the hotel room?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. We're going bye-bye. Let's go. Sit. Wait. Back. Wait. Wait. Gotta go pat pats. Sit. Wait. I said wait. Hey.
It's a big old dog
Wait.
over there.
Sit. Wait.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass.
Wait.
I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures
Wait.
for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back.
Oh, what do we got going on here?
Oh, oh. Of all the magic
boy.
places in the world I've been
That's my
to,
good
this is where
boy.
my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I
Good
go, I'm
boy.
coming
Sit.
home to you.
I said sit.
That dog's carrying his own
Been
dog
walking
bowl.
down the
Good
street
boy.
so many times my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh,
Good boy. Go pat pats.
I have seen many places where the
Go.
beauty never
Wait.
ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But
Go.
I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, of all the magic places in the world.
Oh, no, I had it
I've been to,
pointed
this is
down.
where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
boy. That's a good boy. Good doggy? Are you a good doggy? Are you a good doggy? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Fuck, dude. Hold on. I don't want the backpack to fall. Can you come closer? Come here. Come here. Come on. That's okay. It's okay. It's all right. You want me to put the green one or put it on this one? I know, with this one or the other one? Okay. Hold on. Hold on. The water.
Hi guys, it's us. We just got back from the beach. I don't know how much footage Emma got, but she had to put everything away because I made her get in with me. She's not one for
Reach my pants.
she's not one for getting in too deep into the ocean. Stand up so you can show me your pants.
The shark got me. The shark got me.
Those were the expensive ass ones too. What are they called? The Riverside ones. Those bitches were like, I think like $180. Anyway,
I mean, I could still wear them like this probably.
she was like, can I wear these across the street to take deeps to go kicking shit? She was like, it's in style, right? Like the hobos and the surfers.
I mean, I got underwear underneath.
Yeah. It has the built-in swim trunks. Anyways, we're gonna look into lunch and shower off. I have some injuries. Deebs was super duper excited. There was way too many little dogs over there, but he did pretty well for the most part. He wanted to play with everybody. Okay, we'll check in later. I want to show you a face. Say bye.
Bye.
Deebs, Deebs, say bye. Just got back to the room from the beach. I'd say this motherfucker's comfortable. You are something else, sir. I guess I'll go sit on Pappy's side of the bed to do my hair. I think he's plumb tuckered out because Pappy just put his food down. And this is what he chose. We're getting ready to go to dinner. We're gonna leave Deems here. Hopefully he doesn't eat everything in the room.
Oh, shit.
Right.
Yeah, like beautiful.
Thanks. We are. Have to wear flip-flops because I got a little injury. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna do good. Don't eat the room. We'll be back. I didn't bring my phone.
This is your phone.
Oh, okay. I'm like, I thought I put it in my freaking purse.
This is your phone.
Okay.
It's pretty dope, boo.
Oh, yeah?
QR code has more drinks if you want.
This one took 20 years to order her drink. Per usual, grocery shopping and ordering your drinks. She acts like she's picking colleges. I'm like, would you just fucking order something already? So I put in for my appetizer, my meal, and my drink by the time she decided on her beer. Some shit never changes. Alright, we're gonna turn you around so you guys can see. This place is pretty dope. We would tell you where it is, but we're gatekeepers, bitch. We don't like people taking our places. We're already limited because we travel with our dogs, so. Okay.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I. I don't know know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? Your heart was beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her.
Man, when you were out there with Deebo, I thought you guys were like floating
That's
in
how you
water.
know you've been in love.
You weren't even far enough for him to float in water. I've never gone into the ocean that side though. I thought there you're like straight up swimming.
When she thinks
Yeah, usually where,
nobody's
you know, like the waves roll before they break, where they're like,
when she's gonna
that's
miss her
usually where it's
so.
about getting
I'm
deep
telling
enough
baby,
for
please
you
don't
to be able to
go.
understand.
I think you
You
should
had a really good
stay
way out there.
with me. And I really get what the
I
love
think that's
songs
as
are
far as
talking
I've ever been in
about.
the ocean. With me? When you went
Oh,
there?
and
Yeah.
I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out
Yeah, usually stick
loud.
right by the sand.
Have you ever been in love?
Maybe that's what
Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart's beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Stingrays are so much rarely, because our beaches are so overcrowded, they're rarely like they're isolated. Like in other countries, like Mexico, Spain, like other coasts, you know, yeah, they have a lot more open coastline, so it's different. Yeah, they don't do the snowboat. Yeah. Take a picture of that and send it.
I don't know where she came from. It kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, bring one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume.
I love you, beautiful girl.
Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head?
I'm so lucky to have you as my boo.
When you saw her in that dress.
Okay, guys, we're about to see how Deebo did.
Stop looking at her smile.
See if our room is still in one. You got a bat in the cave, boo.
That's how you know you've been in
You good? Yeah. Was you kicking naps? Was you kicking naps? And your little chew toy? Everything looks good. Him was a good boy. Him was a good boy. Yeah. Him was out. No. He's like, first thing he does is claw me. Are you so excited? Want to go outside? You have to go pop pot? Okay. Look how fast he's at. No. Wait. You got to get you ready.
Come on. Over here. I has to go to bed too. Dee's over here. There's my side of the bed. Dee's. Dee's. Down here, buddy.
Deebo, go on.
Come on.
Go on. Come on, let's go.
Right here. Come on. Right here. That's where your spot is.
Deebo, let's go.
Come on, buddy. Right here. Come on. Right here. Here. Here's your toy. Come on. Come get it. Come get your toy. Do you have enough blanket, Bob? What do you...
Where's the gray one? Yeah, pull that shit up before he goes and lays over there, because then we're not going to have him. We're not going to be able to fix it.
Come on.
Fix the bottom blanket so we can have him lay up there how he likes to.
Okay, we're packing up. We're leaving. I broke my Cobians, so I'm wearing these ones from Torrid. Biker shirts, Torrid, Harley, genuine Harley. Kiba, what do you got? You got Riverside shorts. I think that's the same company. And the other shirt.
one's ripped. And have my same tank top.
Deebs, are you ready to go? Yes, we're gonna go. He stops breathing and holds his breath to see where I'm gonna say we're gonna go. Obsessed. Okay, bye.